I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete Instagram post. For that, open up your Instagram app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now select the photo that you want to delete. There you can see a 3-dot menu icon on your right hand side. Tap on it. Select delete. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete the post. Tap on delete. This way you can easily delete posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.